I'm like for real. I'm not talking over y'all. People aren't going to listen to what I say, then why am I saying it?
Stop shaking the table.
Like, I already know how to do CAD software. Alright, here we go. So, we're going to click on the blue Create button up here. Okay? And we're going to choose Document. What are we choosing?
I can't get in. What are we naming it?
He's not signed in yet.
Well, then get signed in.
I'm trying. It's not working.
Alright, and we're going to call this, if I'm going to give you a little heads up what we're doing, we're making everything that we sketched the last couple classes. So we're going to start off with this one right here. Okay? So I'm just going to call this, since this is activity 2.1.4, I'm just going to call this 2.1.4, and I'm going to call it part 1. Okay? And I'm going to create the document. And just like things in Google, up here, you can click up here and rename it whatever. Alright? If you need to. What?
Part 1, right?
Yeah, because it's the first part we're making. Right?
Create.
Now, when you are making stuff in CAD software, you know, generally speaking, everything you do, it's a 2-step that needs to be turned off.
I say they need to move up because like they're not paying.
No, if they want to sit back there, that's fine. I just don't want to hear them.
Yeah, I already turned it down.
So when you are doing something in CAD, every time you try to do something, it's generally a 2-step process. The first step is you make something 2-dimensional, a sketch or something like that, a drawing. And then the second step is you use that 2-dimensional sketch to make a 3-dimensional feature. Okay? So we're going to do that. We're going to click on the word sketch right here. What are we clicking on? And then I'm going to click on this plane that's called front. Okay? I'm going to click on this plane called front here. Now, before I begin actually sketching on it, all right, a few things. You'll notice that it says sketch 1 here. You should see a green check mark and a red X here. Yes, yeah. That means you're actively in sketch mode, specifically for sketch 1. You'll also notice a cube on the right side. This is the view cube. You can click on parts of it to orient your view. You can click on the edge of the cube. You can click on corners of the cube. You can click on the arrows, okay, around the cube.
That's so cool, man.
And click on the arrow going the opposite direction. Something else you can do. You can hold the right mouse button in, and then you can free rotate.
Wait, how did you get out of that?
Okay? You can hold the right mouse button and free rotate, which is kind of nice.
How did you get back to that thing?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Like I have it as this. How do you get back to that?
I'm just moving. Hold your right mouse button and move the camera.
I left button.
Okay. You can zoom in and out with the mouse wheel, and also, if you push the mouse wheel in, then you can pan. This is called panning.
Ooh, panning.
Okay? So my recommendation is we want the front. So you can just click on the front surface of the view cube, and it'll be all nice and square. And in my opinion, most of the time when you're sketching on a plane, you want to look straight at the plane. You don't want to look at an angle because that can make it hard to sketch. So you should be looking at the front side of the cube. Okay? And we're going to sketch this front part of the piece first, this trapezoid looking thing. Okay? We're going to sketch this. That's what we're going to sketch first. So to do that, we are going to click here on the line tool. Yes, yeah?
Oh my god, this is gonna be difficult.
Going to click on the line tool. Okay.
The one that says line and it's a line. No, I don't see. I see the cube.
If you need help, you can bring your Chromebook up here.
It's like Google Drive.
Now, when I'm drawing the line tool, you watch what I do here. You click. Every time you click, it places an endpoint. Okay? If you're done drawing lines, you just hit escape. That gets you out of the line tool. If you want to get rid of a line segment, you can click on it and then hit the delete key. Okay? You can click and drag to select multiple things and delete them, whatever. All right? We're going to draw this shape here, this trapezoid looking thing. So I'm going to click on line, and I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to start at the origin, which is right here.
Chat, you guys might want to move up.
Chat, is this real?
And I'm going to click, and I'm going to go up.
Alright. How far?
I don't know how far you want. Now, notice a few things. All right. Notice that if I have it mostly go straight up and down, it'll snap to vertical. It thinks, since it's close to being vertical, that that's what I want. So you'll notice this little vertical line here. This is an auto snap. It's snapping it to automatically be vertical, which in this case I actually want.
It's not letting me draw a line.
Okay.
Sure.
I'll click to place that line, and then click to place the line, and then notice again, now there's a horizontal line with it. Okay, I want to snap this horizontally. Or if I go off at an angle, it lets me do whatever. But if I get close to being horizontal, it snaps it to horizontal, which in this case, we actually want. All right. Next one just goes off at an angle. All right, don't have to worry about that one. And then I'm going to go down. And this one, I got to do two things. One, I wanted to snap vertically. And two, I want to snap so that lines up with where I started. So and it should be, you know, like this. It should be on that line, the original axis. And I can click to place it. And then the last one, it goes all the way to the origin.
Chat, that's not that hard.
My line isn't drawn.
Well, bro.
And I have lines selected.
Chat, is this true?
Yes.
Jack, you went a bit too far, bud. I know. Delete it then, redo it.
Shut the heck up.
You never clicked on a plane to sketch on.
We fine.
You never clicked on the front plane. You actually click on it.
Bombing his country?
Oh no. Why do I have all this?
I mean, because you never clicked on front. You never clicked on front, so click on front,
Oh.
and then you can draw, dude.
Dude, they literally
Go draw.
Brett, they literally
I'm trying to
dropped
draw.
right in the middle.
Go draw.
Chat.
And actually, I lied. I realized we're drawing the front part, so I'm gonna delete that line segment.
Selling my ego.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Sorry.
Buddy, it's not that hard. Get better.
There. Sorry about that.
Wait, is this supposed to be like that?
Yeah. Sorry. I meant to draw the front one first.
Well, what if the angles aren't the same? That's illegal.
Well, don't worry about it, dude.
As long as
Just draw the shape. Just draw the shape.
I'm saying.
Just draw the shape.
Oh my God! You're freaking shoving that thing.
I got it. I got it.
Elbow.
Now, when we sketch, typically our first priority is to make it look about the right shape. All right? And then we go back and actually dimension it to be the proper size. So if we go and look at this, how tall is this shape?
3 dots.
3 inches. How wide is the bottom?
2.5.
2.5. How wide is the top? So what we'll use is right here, there is this dimension tool. Okay? And you click on the dimension tool, and we can click on the height, and we can click on it, and we can click to place that number, and you can type in whatever you want. 3. If you want to edit it later, you can always double click on it and change it if you mess up or decide you want it to be a different number later on.
I'm clicking it and it's not
It's
one to
not.
work.
It's not one. Yeah, it's not working.
Did you exit your sketch?
It doesn't let you.
It 100% does.
You know, no,
It doesn't let you
I'm being
choose your
serious.
number.
It doesn't let you like.
Are you in sketch 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring your Chromebook here. You come to me, I'm not coming to you.
Oh my God, chat.
Bring your Chromebook here.
I'm the first customer, Jack.
I'm second.
It looked like that.
I'm third.
Third. Third.
Chat.
Oh, back up.
Bro, dude, what are you...
I did that. You can ask Daniel. Daniel was not doing that.
You click. You click. You move to...
I'm done.
I'm
How
done.
do you change
I'm
the
done.
number, though?
I'm done. You double click on the number.
Don't mess with
Once you've
that.
placed it, you have to have already placed it though.
Oh, God, I hate this.
I
chat.
did it. I did it. I did it.
I hate this
Do
chat.
you need to do that? Oh, you changed it to
I don't know
3.
how I did it, but I did it.
So type in a 3. Bro, what are you...
How do you type?
Oh, I don't even know what you've done, dude.
What just happened?
Done everything right.
Press enter.
Um,
You never drew a line vertically.
Templeton.
You don't have any line. You didn't draw the lines on the left side or the bottom.
Yes, I did.
You did not. There's no line there. There's no line
Okay,
there.
so draw a line from where?
I'm back in struggle. Oh,
The first line I drew.
Not highlighted
So-
back here, guys. Wait, why is mine cockeyed?
oh, I did this whole entire deal.
Jack, yes, actually, I need help, Jack.
Draw a line from here.
Yeah. You didn't go. Well, no. Stop with that. Stop with that. There you go. There you
We're
go.
gonna do all
Click.
those other dimensions then.
Click.
And then go do the bottom one.
Because he's moving
Then
it.
go to the bottom.
He's going ahead.
Bro.
It is that.
We're drawing this shape, right?
Yep.
Like that's the shape you were supposed to draw. You just drew these two parts. You never did those. All right, go.
Is that good?
Yeah, go dimension
Why
it.
are my dimensions red?
Because something's
How are the
bad.
dimensions supposed to work?
Something's bad.
I'm sorry for the interruption. Can I get your attendance, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
We're not gonna do it.
No.
Why is that girl always yapping about your?
Hey, Patrick.
I don't get why you have a regular iPhone and then it just opens up to an
I
iPad.
think I did the top wrong. I think the top's 1. Yeah, the top's 1.
Something like you have a regular iPhone and it just opens up to a freaking iPad.
Why are you touching?
I don't have an iPhone, and I will never buy an Apple product
Why? Why?
because they're absolute trash.
This is an Apple.
Buddy, maybe you're
So what I don't like about Apple is how everything's proprietary. Like you get like a MacBook and it's like, oh, you can only use like our special Thunderbolt cable or whatever. Or like you get like a phone, it's like, oh, you can only use a special Apple charging cable, even though
I can't send more than one picture or video to my grandmother.
That's how
If she has a
Samsung is.
Samsung.
right, yeah, like oh, you can only send high-res photos to people if they also have an Apple. Like it's all proprietary, and they like only let you buy their products and use their stuff.
No, it's smart. They're making money. This is why Microsoft is way
Mate, Jack, I need your help.
Microsoft is way ahead and makes way like way more computers run on Windows than they'll ever run on Apple.
What's a window for
How's he get
now?
ahead?
No, that's not going to change anytime soon.
Let's see. What are you trying to do?
I'm going on to that school.
Okay, we need to move on.
The top's supposed to be 1.
Wait.
Yeah,
One
yeah,
second.
Matt was forced to use USB-C.
Select. I did that. Move it
Yeah,
down.
but-
Select. Type in the number you got, and then keep doing that until it's right.
Oh, Templeton.
Oh, it's easy.
I did it, dude.
Look at that. Okay,
I took a shower.
now we're done
Wait, what's the
with this shape. Dude, yeah, dude, look at like I
Literally just do what's on the screenshot.
look in the class notes, look in your own notes.
I don't have it open.
Sound.
Whose fault's that?
Yeah. it's-
Second, tell me what the top one is.
Imagine not having the class notes open during class.
Wait, we're supposed to have it on the board, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Templeton.
During a class note, you need to have the class notes open.
Yeah, where's the dimensions at?
The dimension tool is not up there because you're not in the sketch anymore. You X out of the sketch.
Okay.
You need to double click to go. No, you can't make a new sketch. Get out of that. Get out of that. Get out of
You still have
that.
these.
Yeah.
not what I-
Okay, so dimension
Chad, did
tool.
you steal my gum?
Oh,
Okay.
We good? Go dimension.
Yeah, he's still
You don't catch a Pokemon ball, you idiot.
I mean, I would place them on. Hey! Chill.
He's calling me monkey.
He's listing off bad facts about
You're
Pokemon.
not a monkey unless you're albino.
He's being wrong about Pokemon.
I would place your dimension off to the side. Go work.
Okay, yep, I got it.
All right. Now, this sketch is done. So when you're done with a sketch, you click on the green check mark. If you need to edit a sketch, for whatever reason, you messed up, or you did everything right, you just changed your mind. Okay? You can just double click on a sketch again to go edit it later. Now, there should only be one sketch over here. If there's multiple sketches, you messed up. Okay? You can't put part of your sketch in one sketch and part of your sketch in another sketch. Like, no. Like, if you X out the sketch, you need to go back in that same sketch. You can't, like, make a new one.
So it's supposed to look like that.
Does it look like what's up on the board? Okay. Your eyes, I guess, are as good as mine.
Is the bottom 2.3 and the side 3 and...
There's nothing that's 2.3.
And then
I press
2.5?
the check mark. 2.9.
Okay, now, in order to make this three-dimensional, you'll notice that the top toolbar has changed. It's no longer like drawing lines and dimensions. It's different stuff. So, gentlemen, I don't want to talk over you. I don't care. I don't want to talk over you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually click on this corner of my view cube. I'm going to put it at an angle. I think that it's easier, gentlemen, get over yourselves. I think it's easier to see your three-dimensional features when you're at an angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here on the first feature. It's called extrusion. In the real world, this is actually a manufacturing term. You guys know what an I-beam is?
Oh yeah, the thing that runs along the left.
Yeah, it's an I shape, and then it gets extruded however long the beam is. That's called an extrusion. So you take a shape and you just extrude it a certain distance. All right? So I'm going to click on extrusion. Gentlemen, get over yourself. I don't, dude, I understand, but I cannot be fighting you and talking over you like the whole class. It's not going to
Keep
work.
up.
But you're dying.
I'm trying.
We're all dying. Just focus on the lesson.
Be respectful.
Be responsible.
I'm going to click on this extrusion thing. And the first thing it wants me to do is it wants me to choose what I'm extruding. So I'm going to click on the thing I want to extrude, which is this shape. Okay? And then how far is it going to get extruded? Well, how deep does this part go? It goes 1 inch. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the depth is 1 inch. And it is. It is. So I'm good. I can click the green arrow, and I have an extrusion now. I have an extrusion.
God, that's crazy, dude.
I'm goofy.
Can I use this to build?
Wait, how do you get that like that?
I
Is this how you 3D print?
Select the shape.
Oh.
No, like
I got it. I got it.
click the corner of the cube.
All right.
Let's go. Comes in. I'm chilling.
Next thing I'm going to
Cube
do,
in the corner, just click on
we're going to go make
its corner.
the back half.
Top right.
We're going to go make the back half.
We are.
Yeah.
So do I need to move it around?
So what I'm going to do
I got
is I'm going to click on the front cube, the front face of the cube. Okay, so I get like this. And I'm going to make another sketch. What am I clicking on?
sketch.
And I'm going to click on the front plane again, and I'm going to make my sketch on that same plane.
Wait.
Sketch two.
I clicked on the front plane.
Done.
Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw with the line tool the outline of that shape. Now, you can't use this shape. This is not part of the sketch. It's not part of the sketch you just made. So you have to start in the corner, and you got to draw a line all the way up again. All right? And then I can go over some. Again, make sure it snaps to be horizontal.
How long? How far do you go?
It doesn't matter. And then I can draw my angled part. And then this vertical part, make sure it snaps to not only being vertical, but also lining up with the bottom of the shape. So it should have two snap tos.
What did I just do?
And then I go all the way to the origin.
I don't know how to delete.
You click on it and then you hit delete.
Delete.
Okay? So I have my shape made. Now you'll notice,
So smart.
if you look at it, some of the lines are black and some of them are blue. So black lines can't be changed. They're already constrained to be the way they are. Blue lines are free like the antelope. You'll notice, for example, if I grab this blue dot here, I can click and drag. All right? It's free like the antelope. But if I try and grab this black line, I can't move it. All right? It's locked in place already. We can go to the dimensions and we can dimension these. How wide's the top part?
3.
How wide's the bottom?
It's 4.
4, right? 3 plus 1. Okay? So you'll notice as I dimension the top and the bottom, one of the blue lines turns black. Okay? The only part that's free now is the height of this side. Huh? So how tall is this side? How tall is it?
Wait.
4 inches.
It's not 4.
How much is that?
Dude, look at the class notes.
1 inch.
All right, if you go and you look at the diagram, is it really 1 inch tall? I don't think so.
1.5.
Okay, it's 1.5.
Inches.
1.50.
It's not 1.50. Don't ever say that.
But it looked like it was
1 2/4.
Okay? You'll notice now, once I add that dimension, that all the lines are black. They are all fully constrained. They're locked into place. They cannot be changed.
My dimensions are red.
Well, then you did something
Why
wrong.
do you have 3 sketches?
goofball.
Get your sketch finished.
Oh, dude, that's pretty chill, dude.
Somebody turn the AC on now. It's cold.
Daniel made an extra sketch.
Just delete it.
Ow.
Click on it and delete.
Oh, he didn't tell me that.
Click and delete.
I got it. Don't worry.
Right click, click. You're with the mouse. That's not the delete button.
I'm fucking.
Oh my God. Here we go.
Mr. Templeton, can I get your attendance, please?
Yep.
Now you can do it.
Thank you.
I did it. This is 7.
How long do you think we can go?
I said you push it to 4.
4.
You're gonna get
4.
fired.
It's 2:03. Do you think I can make it 19 more minutes?
Something my computer's not computer.
What? You're just not gonna send your attendance?
Something that.
That's so funny.
Shut up, Jacker. You're not like, bro.
Oh, God, bro. You didn't know.
Nathan, shut up.
Something cap is that belt.
Dude, what are you yapping about?
You know what, Nathan? You can
That's why Blake made varsity. You did it.
Buddy,
Daniel.
he hasn't even played a full game of varsity in 6 games.
And you have it. 'Cause you're
Okay?
on the
That doesn't matter.
Imagine being
At
bad.
least he gets.
Bro, he's gonna get moved down next season,
All right.
bro.
He gets.
I'm done with this sketch. I'm clicking the green check mark.
Every 5 games.
All right? And we're going to do the same thing we did in the past. We're going to extrude it. So you click on extrude. And then you can click on that shape. Now, well, then you didn't draw the shape correctly.
1.50.
Oh, but I did.
Well, then it should work.
Check mark.
Then it should work.
And once you click on
If
it,
you can't select it, you did not draw the shape correctly.
Wait.
So you'll notice when I click on it, what happens that's not good.
It goes to the same area.
It goes to the same area that we just already extruded into. So this is very easy to fix. Right here is an arrow. You can click on this, and this makes it extrude the other direction. Easy. Problem solved. So the black arrow changes the direction, okay, that it gets extruded. Okay? Good?
Wait, what's the dead one? Wait, how much?
I don't know. Go look at the class notes.
I messed up.
Wait, what? Templeton.
Dude, go look at class notes. You have access to the resources that have the information you need to be successful. You just need to use them.
It is 1 inch.
Get you a moment to finish making your shape.
Templeton. Did I do something wrong?
I don't know. Did you?
Did you still put in your attention? Yeah.
Did you extrude the same direction? Or did you change the direction?
Pancake.
I gotta finish mine.
You gotta get your
You're supposed to change the direction.
I have
Go
a
back
block.
in the extrusion and click the black arrow. That is annoying the crap out of me. Oh my lord.
Guys,
What fast?
why does mine look funky against your guys'?
Because of the way you're angled.
Alright, Jack, let's do it again.
No, I
Center
didn't.
it.
Patrick, we good? Click the black arrow, change the direction.
Corner of the cube.
Bro, if you want me to help, you gotta bring your Chromebook to me. I'm not going to you.
I think I got it.
Okay.
It's like the Fortnite cube. You gotta hit the corner.
Okay.
I did.
Wrong cube.
Mine don't look like that.
You mother
Now,
bastard.
I'm going to show you.
Cube.
Where?
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Where's my
Why is it
super
like that?
suits? Lord have mercy. Where's my?
Now I'm going to show you guys some things that, dude,
Most
stop.
of them like that.
Why do you guys have a mountain?
This class makes me sad.
Honest to God, if this class had more than 11 people, I think I would just put CAD videos up every day.
This class
Like, we
makes
would
me
do
so
work in
smart.
5th hour, and then this hour we would just watch CAD videos.
And then we would just dominate.
There's no, you would not dominate nothing.
I can do that, pal.
He's about to have a mental breakdown.
No, I'm not having a mental breakdown. I'm tired of talking over people. Like, you realize that, like, I have to, like, yell the whole day? and like it makes it just like actually is like draining on the voice.
You have the authority to
You
send
get
people to
$6.
like the office or something.
Send all of you,
Only the
did
ones
it!
yelling.
because literally Luke and Jeremiah are the only people not screaming and causing problems.
I'm not.
Hey, I'm not causing any problems. I'm
I've been
helping.
watching TikTok.
You're playing patty cake,
I did that myself. I didn't
clapping hands louder than anything else that has occurred today in this room.
myself. I didn't know.
I don't care.
Moving
She's
on.
hungry. I can't feed her.
Moving on. So I want to show you guys a few things you can do to change the aesthetics.
Yeah, pay attention. This
Okay. So first off, dude, just stop.
Why you gotta make the whole?
First thing that you can do is you can use a view cube to get an orientation that is desirable. And I think that this is, a good orientation. It shows all the parts of the shape. Second thing you can do, you can hide these planes. If you hover over a plane or anything on this side, you will see the eyeball. And if you click on the eyeball next to it, it'll hide it. So you can hide the origin, and you can hide all three of these planes. And it's temporary. You can always bring them back.
I got a square.
So now we just have our shape. Now, last thing, right here, next to the view cube is the camera and render options. And if you click on that, you have a lot of choices. You're welcome to check out which ones you like. I like this shaded without edges. Looks really cool.
I'm acting while shading.
Okay? Shaded without edges. Looks really cool.
It just looks ugly.
Wait, how do you do that
You
again?
just explained it.
Okay, but I wasn't paying attention because I got distracted.
That's your own damn fault. And you shouldn't.
Doing a fire.
Yeah, my thoughts exactly. Okay? Now, another thing you can do, and I know you're going to all go bananas over this. Down here,
That's ugly.
it says Part 1. And you can right-click on it, and amongst other things, you can edit the appearance. And you're welcome to go ham on that. You can make it whatever color you want.
I'm gonna go ham on everything.
Okay? So I'll let you play with that. I'll let you play with that.
Please let me play with it.
I am upset that my lights changed to white.
You got life for
Did you
6
hear this dude? He got let him play with it.
No, let me catch this light. Let me choose a light, please.
No.
Please.
You'll choose something dumb.
May I
Some
please-
ugly color.
I'm gonna choose purple.
I already had the back purple.
Oh, what about green?
Oh.
Yellow, purple.
It's
Yellow, purple.
teal.
Yellow and purple.
It's actually not quite the teal that I had earlier.
Yellow
Yeah.
and purple.
Red and purple.
Yellow and purple.
Red and purple.
Did you say yellow purple?
Yeah, yellow, purple. Yellow better. Yellow, like,
He doesn't even know what remote to use.
no, that's too bright.
No,
Yeah,
red.
like
Do
that.
red. Do red. Trust.
Red is literally disgusting.
No, red. Trust. See?
Oh my god.
I love red.
It's gonna be this angry room
Oh
now.
my god, I'm turned on.
Hold on now.
Do green and black. Green and black. Green and black.
There's no black.
I'm gonna make the lines. I'm gonna make the lights black. You realize that that's not like a thing, right?
Black and white.
Okay, you're done. You are actually done. You are actually done.
Flash black and white.
All right. Once you get your shape all beautified,
He's touching my rock.
put a picture of it in your notebook.
How do you change the color?
What are
How
we
do you
doing
screenshot
now?
again? Jack, how do you screenshot again?
Shift
You
control
dumb
thingy.
Shift
I don't know how to change the colors.
Right click on part 1 down here. Choose edit
Put it
appearance.
in the notebook.
Okay, I just didn't know I had to right click.
Wait, what number is this? No.
So this is 2.1.4. Solid models.
Yeah, I missed a lot.
Hey, you should shit.
Told you you did.
Okay. 2.1.4 solid models.
Wait, whoa.
I'm lost.
Yeah, this model is solid.
2 point.
Jack, stop. Just shut up.
You said 2.1.4?
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a nice.
Hey now, don't mess with a man's
Look
hat.
at your hair.
That's
Hey,
that's
don't call me
rude.
Ginger.
That's
I'm
rude.
redheaded.
Gingerbread. Hey,
Gingerbread.
someone's in. Is it actually it's
1.8?
4.
Bro, do not show a
You
picture
see
of...
what?
Bro, what are you looking at on Instagram?
Templeton, do I have to post that thing next to it?
Whoa.
What was I gonna look up?
Just
Wait,
like that?
is this 2.1.1?
I mean, yeah, that's what I'm putting in the notes. I just need to see your shape, to be honest. I don't necessarily have to see this thing. I put this in the class notes so it's just easy to reference. You don't have to bounce between multiple pages.
There, how did I do on my shape?
Copy and trolling.
It's literally a black blob. And you have the brightness down on your Chromebook, so like it looks even
Can we
worse.
stop edging over there, please? Thank you.
So I found a thing on Instagram and it was like gingerbread. You made something bread and it said gingerbread man.
That's lame. This is why China's gonna win, because you guys just watch the most dumb things on TikTok and Instagram all day. All right. Well, that's that one.
Where's my image at?
That's that one.
Rose turned on.
Okay. So if you go to the previous activity, we got the next one right here.
Hold on, Chad.
We got the next one right there.
Dude, that's easy peasy lemon squeezy at MIT.
Okay, then make it yourself.
Okay, I was just playing
Yes.
around there.
I'm just playing around. Wait, do we gotta make a new one?
What are you doing?
Wait, do we have to make a new one?
Dude,
Take another one?
I genuinely worry about
No,
you.
we make a new sketch.
Why would you worry if they're just so dumb?
Wait.
They're not gonna like disappear. They're still gonna be amongst. They're gonna walk amongst us, after you graduate. They're still gonna be in society.
Wait, we make a new one, right?
Not if I ignore them.
So we're gonna make this.
Make a new one. I don't care.
So
Really?
yeah, we're gonna make that one.
Really?
So we would click you can click here on the word on shape.
I'm gonna whip somebody.
You can click this to go your documents.
Where the heck did Nathan and
Okay.
go?
And you can click create. And you can click document again.
I really,
If you want to put these in a folder, you're welcome to put them in a folder if you want.
Nathan didn't even have this thing.
I really have to poop, but I don't want to miss this.
Bro didn't even create it.
It's a life or death.
And you can start working on dude, chill out.
Chill out. I really have to poop, but I don't want to miss this.
So you can start working on the next shape.
What?
Alright. Hey, Nathan, you know what we're doing?
Probably should start with a rectangle, just a recommendation.
Wait, are we supposed to use one square?
Hey, puff, puff,
I don't know.
pass, monk.
I don't know. I don't know. How would you do it?
Which one is it? Is
Well,
it?
Templeton.
It's the next one
I was out here.
in the
next
class
one doesn't
notes.
mean anything.
It's the next one in the class notes. What do you mean it doesn't mean anything? There's literally only one other thing in the class notes.
I mean like the next shape because there are 6 separate shapes.
Well, if I go to the previous page, it would be the next one in order. We read left to right, top to bottom in the English-speaking
Left
world.
to right, but we started with the one on the right.
Templeton, did you
So-
get your attendance yet?
I don't know. Should I?
No.
We only got 7 more minutes. 7 minutes. Can we make it 7 minutes?
Yeah.
Aren't there call up right now?
Yeah, before you get fired.
No.
Okay,
You
fire.
can't gonna get fired. My teacher told me one time that you can't get fired if you don't turn in your attendance. You can't.
Who knows? I bet you're gonna get called down to the office after.
forgot
No.
what it is.
I bet you're gonna be in my closet if you keep yapping. Talk
You're
to
gonna
me.
put someone in your
Agreed.
closet?
He doesn't want to be alone.
There's water bottles in there. Okay.
So, how are we supposed to make it at that angle?
Here, I do this one.
That one. This one right here. It's also the only other one I put on the page in 2.1.4.
He's edging back there.
Bro,
Dude,
shut
I
the
don't.
hell
Yeah,
up.
like I don't. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, man. You've been like,
Am I the only one that doesn't know? what
you've
that
been
is?
just running your mouth the whole time.
Who?
You,
I didn't say nothing.
No, you just spent like all of your screen.
bro. No comment. No one believes you. We all have been hearing you the entire
I
time.
don't think that's so
I
shot.
I
was.
forgot it was-
Stop the cap.
Templeton, Templeton. Oh,
You can ask Tristan.
oh, I'm getting charged in your pants. I put 80.
I was playing.
Well, like, you weren't supposed to do 80, you're supposed to do.
Crap.
I have a question.
So I'll show you a little trick with this one.
Yeah, I need help with this one.
I'm dominating the seed lobby, so no one can handle me.
Who's talking about seeds right now?
So with this one,
I beat Facebook on a Fortnite one.
okay, Nathan and Tristan, you're demonstrating that you are not capable of being by each other. So, starting Wednesday, because we don't have school tomorrow, you're not sitting back there together.
How much your bell will be here tomorrow?
I mean, if you come tomorrow, that's on
You
you.
guys gotta be here tomorrow.
Will they both ride the bus?
So, how tall is this rectangle?
20 25.
How wide is the rectangle?
80.
Okay, so I can go in here, make a sketch, and I can make a rectangle. There's a rectangle right here. This is rectangle tool.
I'm joking.
Or you can draw lines. You do you. But the rectangle is really nice. All right, so I can draw a rectangle. And if it is 25 tall, then I can click on here, and I can make it 25 tall. Now I know it's in millimeters, but
Yeah,
let's
what
just
is
pretend
it?
like it's in inches. Okay, let's just pretend.
Wait, it's okay if it's that big.
It's fine.
That's what you said?
Zoom out. Zoom out. You can
But
zoom
then
out.
You're gonna have to make it 80.
It's not an issue.
I just dropped it.
Oh, his veins rolling on the floor.
And you can extrude it.
Alright, dude, I know you're like
Easy.
Yacht!
And how deep does this shape go?
40.
40.
Patrick. Patrick.
Patrick, get his bait.
So I can type in 40 here.
Oh my god. Somebody, he has a face.
Easy.
Why is,
So I have a block.
why is mine so bigger?
Where did that come from?
I have a block. Now, how would I do?
Where did that come from?
I made a block.
He made a nice block.
Extra.
You should be able to make a block yourself.
No. Just
That is something you should be able to. Yeah, you should be able to do that on your own. If you learned anything today, you should be able to do that on your own.
I win.
if it's 25 apart.
Now, the next thing is a little bit different from what we've done before. It's not really any harder. We just haven't done it yet. But if you look at the shape, you know, there's this big cutout, right? So we'll do that next. We'll do that cutout.
Next one.
It's like almost like a negative extrusion, if you can think of it that way.
That looks easy, but it's fun. But never mind. I'm
And
just-
so we'll do that next class. But you should be able to make this block of yourself.
How did you make it 3D again? I forgot about that. I forgot to do that.
This guy.
I know, but I. Oh, it
I didn't actually drop my
Why
vape.
did
It
it
was
not
my
work?
chapstick.
Yeah, he was gonna snitch.
Wasn't this a dude who keeps eating parts of his deodorant or
He ain't
something?
got black lungs. He's got smooth lips.
He's got two in the back of one of them lips.